know why people get addicted to it?
According to Rahul, he can build a body like Arnold by doing drugs. Reena does not want to live anymore because of all the troubles in her life, so she has chosen this path. Gauravi says that smoking eases her tensions and calms her mind.
Boy, they're inaccurate about the effects of drug addiction. We need to talk about that.
You are absolutely right, my dear friends.
Drugs are a waste of time. They destroy your memory and self-respect
And everything that goes along with the steam. So
अब हम करेंगे रिबा चालन। ठीक है, गर्दन की क्रिया। चलो एक साथ शुरू करो।
Wishing you all a peaceful and healthy life on this International Yoga Day. And I want to say a big thank you to everyone who made this event possible today. Firstly, a huge thank you to Mothers Public School for hosting us and giving us this amazing space together. We also want to thank our partners, Glenmark Pharmaceuticals, the Yoga Institute of India and Rise Infinity Foundation for teaming up with us to organize today's event. They have been wonderful partners, all dedicated to making our community healthier and happier. Moreover, we at Ashleep Foundation, we are all about bringing people together. Events like today tells us and shows us how